This video will take an in-depth look at the File tab in Edgecam's workflow interface. The File tab is the first step in navigating Edgecam's easy-to-use workflow environment. Here we can create a new session in either the milling or turning environment. Recently used files are located in this section in the center of the screen, as well as recently used folders. In this area, we can switch the current environment to mill, turn, or wire. We have several options for loading a solid model into Edgecam. First, we can click on Open, then browse windows to locate a solid file. We can also use the Insert button to accomplish the same thing, again browsing for a solid part. Another unique feature of Edgecam is to load a solid by the drag and drop method. We can again browse for a file location and simply drag and drop the solid file into Edgecam. The Save and Save As commands are located here so that we can save our completed or in process Edgecam file. A Preferences button allows us to have control over elements such as part units, environment, or system and display tolerances. A button is available to define the color scheme of the Edgecam environment so that the user can easily customize the Edgecam experience to suit their needs. Before we finish, let's go ahead and locate the solid model file used for the remaining exercises in this tutorial. Using the File Open method, we can select Open, My Documents, Vero Software, the current version, Edgecam, Cam, Examples, Tutorial, and Workflow. For this milling tutorial, let's select the file Workflow Vertical Mill 1 inch.pmod.